Mutual funds launch various type of schemes. There are pure equity schemes which are called equity funds. In equity schemes also there are a variety of schemes available. Then there are pure debt funds which invest into fixed income instrument. Then there are hybrid funds which invest into equity as well as debt both. There are index funds, exchange traded funds. There are sector specific funds. There are multi-asset allocation funds. There are a variety of schemes available. In the equity category only, there are large cap funds, mid cap funds, small cap funds. In debt, there are short term debt funds, medium term debt funds, long term debt funds, GSEC funds. So every mutual fund, there are approximately more than 47 mutual funds in India. Every mutual fund launches one scheme of one type. So they have variety of schemes available, right? So which scheme suits which investor? It is very, very important. For our short-term goals, we can think of investing into debt funds, pure debt funds. For our medium-term goals, financial goals, we can invest into hybrid funds, which invest into equity as well as debt both. For our long-term investment goals, we can invest into pure equity funds. Now, in equity fund also, it depends upon our time horizon and risk appetite. If we want to take a little more risk, we can go with multi-cap funds. We can also invest in small cap funds. If we want to keep the low risk on a lower side, we can invest into large cap funds, index funds. Now, the selection of schemes should be based on your time horizon of investment and your financial goals. Now, what is the criteria to select the best mutual fund scheme? We have to look at the consistency of returns of mutual fund, that scheme. First of all, we have to look at our time horizon and then choose the right scheme. Now, within that category, which is the best scheme to invest? Because there are 47 approximately mutual funds schemes available in that category. So, which one to choose? So, we can look at the consistent performance. We should also look at the alpha. Alpha means the extra returns generated by the mutual fund scheme more than the benchmark. Now, every mutual fund scheme has a benchmark against which the performance of that mutual fund scheme is measured. If benchmark has given suppose 12% return and the scheme has given 15% return, it means we have 3% alpha. To look for the alpha, we can also look at the expense ratio. The AMCs, asset management companies, which are spending less money, they will be able to give high returns. So we should also look at the expense ratio. At the same time, we also should be looking at the monitoring of our investment. We should monitor our investment at least every year, that whether the returns which we expect are going on the right track to enable us to achieve our various financial goals. So we'll continue our journey of learning about mutual fund in the next video. Thank you very much.